Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Target 100 in Mathematics by Shivesh Kumar Singh. Now this time we are going to discuss about the pair of linear equations in two variable for grade 10. Okay, I am sure you will understand this lesson easy. It is just a review. Okay, so I'll take few questions after that, but before that just try to understand some basic concepts on this. General pair of linear equation in two variable. What is the general equation? Ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, where a, b, c are the real numbers. Okay, now when we talk about pair of linear equations, so if we have equation, then we will have its solution also. Solution means, for example, if you have a question x plus y equal to 3. Okay, so solution means any point which satisfy this equation. Satisfy means left hand side and right hand side must be same for the value of x and y, only then it will be called solution. So for example, if we take 2 and 1, so here if you put x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 1, then what you will get? 3. So 3 is here, 3 is here, it means they are the solution. Okay, but if you take 4 plus 4 and 1, so 4 plus 1, 4 plus 1 is equal to 5, which is not equal to the right hand side. Okay, so this is not the solution, but 2 1 or 1 2 or any point which satisfy the condition will be called the solution of the equation. Okay, so we will talk about the solution of equations in detail, which is the main concept of this lesson. Okay, and I am sure you will find it very interesting for you. Okay, so let's begin this thing. If you have pair of equations, then a1x plus b1y equal to c1. Now you can see how many variables do we have? Two variables, x and y. Okay, x and y are the variables, a1 b1 c1 are the constants. So if you have two equations, then to find their unique solution you must have two equations also. So second equation I am taking a2x plus b2y equal to c2. Okay, again a2 b2 c2 are the real numbers. Now first of all we'll discuss about the conditions for the solution. So here first condition will be for unique solution. Unique solution means values of x and y will be unique, only one values you will have. So for unique solution, what is the condition? A1 over b1 is not equal to a1 upon a2 is not equal to b1 upon b2. Okay, and when you will draw the graph of these equations, I will tell you the graph in the next slide. Okay, but if you will draw the graph, then graph will be like this: one equation for one line, another equation for another line. So they will be they will be intersecting lines, and this point of intersection will be called the solution of the equation. This will be called solution. Okay, maybe you can have a graph in the exam and then they will say which of the following graph represents the unique solution. Okay, so this is the algebraic condition, this is the formula, and this is the graphical condition. Okay, now next is infinite solution. Infinite solution. So infinite solution, or we can say consistent infinitely. This is called, the first one is called consistent uniquely, the second one is called consistent infinitely. Okay, and its condition is a1 upon a2 is equal to b1 upon b2 is equal to c1 upon c2, and when you will draw the graph of this, then it will be like a overlapped line. Okay, coinciding line. So one line on another line, and it is quite obvious also. When we are saying that infinite solution, it means all points are common. Yes, so line will be the overlapped line. Okay, and the third one is no solution. No solution, or you can say inconsistent. What we say? Inconsistent. So remember these words also. Okay, maybe in the exam they will not say that show that these equations they don't have any solution. They will say that show that the following equations are inconsistent. Okay, so what's the formula? What's the condition for this? A1 upon a2 is equal to b1 upon b2 is not equal to c1 upon c2. Okay, so this is like a parallel lines like this. So it means they will never meet with each other, so that will be called no solution or inconsistent condition. Okay, now hope this thing is clear to you. Now let's talk about, first we'll start with the graph. Okay, that how to draw the graph of the line. So it's very easy for you, okay? Just draw the graph. For example, we have 2x plus 3y equal to 6. Okay, now there are various methods to draw the graph, but what I prefer to consider one value of x, then find the value corresponding value of y. So for example, I am taking first value as x as 0. So put x is equal to 0 here. What you will get? X is equal to 0 means 2 times 0 plus 3y equal to 6 means 0 plus 3y equal to 6. So y is equal to 2. So we got here 2. So what will be the point coordinate? It will be value of x then value of y. Okay, this is one point. Now draw the graph paper. I'm sorry for this zigzag line, but it's okay, you can understand. Okay, now 0, 2 is the point, so it will lie on y-axis. So suppose this is the point 0, 2. Mark the point here, and now consider one more value of x, or you can take one more value of y also. So if I take here y equal to 0, then it will be 2x plus 3 times 0 equal to 6 means x will be equal to 3. So here we are getting 3. So what will be the point? 3, 0. And 3, 0 will lie on x-axis. So 1, 2, 3. This is the point 3, 0, and it will lie on x-axis. Okay. Just join these two points with the scale, with the proper line. Okay. And don't forget to put this arrow at both the ends, because these arrow indicates that line can be extended in both the directions. Okay. Otherwise it will be the line segment. Now, some of you may say that, sir, we will have to take the 3 points here. Okay, see, the third point what you take is just for the verification, that whether by mistake if any calculation is wrong, then you should not draw the wrong line. Okay, because with the 2 points you can draw line easily, but if you take the third point also, then all the 3 points must be collinear, then they must lie in the same line. Okay, so it is just for the verification, it is not a rule. So line can be drawn with the minimum 2 points. Okay, with the help of this method you can draw the graph of the line easily. Okay, there are another so many methods that you will study in grade 11. Okay, now next we will talk about how to solve the equations simultaneously. Okay, like if you have 3x plus 2y equal to 7 and then x minus y equal to 4. Okay, for example, I have taken these equations. Now there are many methods to solve. One is by substitution. Okay, another method is called elimination. Another method is called substitution or elimination. I think this is the same thing, so leave it. Okay, next is removing the coefficient, or this is called elimination method, removing the coefficient or elimination method. Okay, now substitution method, as name is suggesting you, what we are going to do, we are substituting the value. So if from any equation, wherever you are comfortable, just take the value of y, find the value of y or x, it's up to you. Okay, there is no rule. So for example, from equation number 2, I am going to take x is equal to y plus 4. How? Negative y will be shifted to another side, it will become positive 4. Okay, so this is one equation. Now this value of x I am going to put in the second equation here. So it will be 3 times y plus 4 plus 2y equal to 7. So 3y plus 12 plus 2y equal to 7. Now 3y plus 2y are the like terms. So 5y equal to 7 minus 12. 7 minus 12 means minus 5. So y is equal to minus 1. And after getting the value of y, just put it here. So x will be equal to minus 1 plus 4. So x is equal to minus 1 plus 4 means, what should be the answer? Yes. Did you say minus 5? No, it will be plus 3. Take care of the calculation in the exam also, okay? So x is equal to 3 and y is equal to minus 1 is the answer. Just to make sure that your answer is correct, but if you have time in the exam, only then you will do this thing, okay? That put the values of x and y here in both the equations, and if left hand side is equal to right hand side, then your answer will be correct. For example, you see, if you put x is equal to 3 and y is equal to minus 1, so 3 minus minus 1 plus 1, so 3 plus 1 is 4. 4 here and 4 here also, and you can check with this also. Okay, so this is the method by substitution. And now, what is the removing the coefficient or elimination method? What is that? Just try to understand. I am writing here so that we can match the answer. Okay. Now, first equation was 3x plus 2y equal to 7. Now, what we do in this method, we just multiply any equation, any one equation or both the equations to make the coefficient of x or y equal. Okay, now you can see here, if you multiply second equation by 2, then coefficient of y will become same. Okay, why? Because in the first equation coefficient of y is 2 and in the second equation it is 1 only, or minus 1. Okay, so just multiply this second equation by 2. So it will be 2x, because every term will be multiplied, minus 2y equal to 2 times 4 means 8. Now you can see whatever terms we made equal, they are of opposite sign. One is positive, another is negative. So if they are of opposite sign, then add them. So by adding, it will be cancelled out. 3x plus 2x will be 5x. 7 plus 8 will be 15. So x will be equal to 3. See, we are getting the same answer like here. Okay. Now put this value of x in any of the equations. So I am putting in the first equation there in the question given. So 3 minus y equal to 4. So y equal to 3 minus 4, that is y equal to minus 1. Okay. So these are the two methods. X is means substitution method and elimination method, and I am sure you are well aware of this method and you have understood it, you have revised it properly. Okay, now I think cross multiplication method is removed from the syllabus. Okay, if it is there, then please write in the comment and then I will explain that also. Okay, hope you understand this. Now let's talk about some questions to practice, just to make sure that these formulae can be used somewhere. Okay, for example, they say, if the system of the equations 3x plus y equal to 1 and 2k minus 1x plus k minus 1y equal to 2k plus 1 is inconsistent. Inconsistent means no solution. And what was the condition for no solution? Okay, condition was 3 over 2k minus 1 means a1 upon a2 is equal to b1 upon b2 is not equal to c1 upon c2. So just consider first two terms and cross multiply them. So 3 times k minus 1 equal to 2k minus 1. So 3k minus 3 equal to k minus 1. So 3k minus 2k will be k equal to minus 3 plus 3 plus minus 1 will be 2. Okay, so this is the answer. Okay, so you see, if you remember this formula, then it will be very helpful for you. Again, I am telling you, for the consistent uniquely means unique solution, a1 upon a2 is not equal to b1 upon b2. a1 upon a2 is equal to b1 upon b2 is equal to c1 upon c2 for infinite solution or consistent infinitely. And then a1 upon a2 plus equal to b1 upon b2 is not equal to c1 upon c2 is for inconsistent or no solution. Okay, now next is, if 49x plus 51y is equal to 499 and 51x plus 49y is equal to 501, then find the values of x and y. Now my dear students, don't panic with these big numbers. Okay, why? Because we have another way to solve this equation. And what's that way? Just reduce in the standard equation, means simple equation. So what we are going to do, first just add them. Add the equations, what you will get? 49x plus 51x, I think it will be 100x. Check the calculation. Okay, 51 plus 49, again it will be 100y is equal to 499 plus 501, it will be 1000. So you can divide this by 100. So x plus y will be equal to 10. This is one equation. See, we got very easy equation. Now what we can do here, you can subtract the equation. So subtraction can be done by first and second or second and first. Okay, so 51x plus 49y is equal to 501 and 49x plus 51y is equal to 499. Subtract means all sign of the second equation will be changed. So 51 minus 49 is 2x minus 49 minus 51 is minus 2y is equal to 501 and 499 minus, it will be 2. Okay, so again it will be divided by 2. So x minus y is equal to 1. This is the second equation. Now you can see, luckily we have x coefficient of y and x both are same, but coefficient y is of opposite sign. So just add them. So by adding y will be cancelled out and x plus x will be 2x. 10 plus 1 is equal to 11, so x is equal to 11 over 2. Is this calculation correct? Because it seems to be little odd type number, odd type solution. Okay, so this was 2x minus 2y is equal to 2. I guess it is the correct thing. Yes, what do you say? And then x minus y is equal to 1, and there also we got 100x plus 100y is equal to 1000 and 1000. Okay, we'll check with the answer. Okay, we'll check the solution like the method I told you. Now value of y, how you will find? So 11 over 2 plus y is equal to 10. So y is equal to 10 minus 11 over 2 means 20. 20 minus 11, 9. 9 over 2. Okay, now we'll put the values there just to check the answer, because I doubt, because now both the fractions of the same denominator, so maybe this answer is correct. I'm not sure. Let's check. Okay, 49 multiply value of x was 11 over 2 plus 51 times 9 over 2. It will be, can we take something common from here? 1 over 2 can be taken common. 11 times 9, 99. 11 times 4, 44. 44 and 9, 53, plus then it will be 9 ones are 9, 9 fives are 45. Okay, and it is 1 over 2 times 9, 9, 18, 3, 1, 4, 5, 9, 5 and 4, 9. 998 divided by 2 means 2 fours are 8, 2 nines are 18, 2 nines are 18. So 499 is the answer. Okay, so it seems to be correct. Like this you can check in the exam also. Okay, now next is, this is like a word problem or maybe case study, something like that. Anuj had some chocolates. He divided them into two lots, A and B. A and B, two lots are there. He sold the first lot at the rate of 2 for 3 chocolates. 2 for 3 chocolates. Okay, and the second lot at rupee 1 here per chocolate, and got a total of, this is the amount what he got, it is 400 rupees. And then if he had sold the first lot at rupee 1 per chocolate and the second lot at 4 for 5, then he got 460 amount. Okay, so what we have to do here, find the total number of chocolates. Okay, so x and y, let's take the number of chocolates in both the lots. So x here plus y here equal to 400, x here plus y here equal to 460. So equations will be, I'm just taking the LCM, okay, just to save your time. So 2x plus 3y is equal to 1200, and here 5x plus 4y is equal to 5 times 0, 5 6 are 30, 5 4 are 20, and 3 23. Okay, now you can see you will have to multiply both the equations by some or the other number to make the coefficients same. So I will multiply here first equation by 4, and here I'll multiply second equation by 3. Okay, to make the coefficients of y same. So it will be 4 times 2, 8x plus 12y is equal to 4800, and second equation will be 15x plus 12y is equal to 23 times 3, 69, I guess, so 6900. Okay, now both have same sign for y, so just subtract it. So by subtracting, don't forget to change the sign. Okay, it is minus 7x is equal to, now subtraction will be 00, 9 minus 8 1, and then 6 minus 4 2, and with minus sign. So x will be equal to 300. Okay, now we got value of x, so just put it here in this equation. What will be the value of y? Okay, let me complete the question. So this is 300 plus 4 over 5y is equal to 460. Now, so 4 over 5y will be equal to 460 minus 300 will be 160. 4 will cancel this. This is 40. So y is equal to 200. So how much total chocolate he has? Because they are asking for the total number of chocolates. So x plus y will be equal to 500. Okay, my dear students, hope you understand and you revise this lesson thoroughly. Okay, and practice it more. You will find some questions in the question bank also. Okay, practice this lesson carefully, and if you have any doubt still, then you can write in the comment. Okay, and if you like this video, then If you think that it will help you increasing your knowledge, then please like and subscribe my channel and share with your friends. Thank you.